Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to get the number of rows from a data frame in Python. So let's get started. As you can see on your devices, I've created a simple data frame using the pandas library, and inside the data frame there is a column of name consisting of names of certain people along with the column age with the corresponding values of the user's age. And I've converted that data frame to a pandas data frame, and let's print it and see the visual representation of the data frame. As you can see, the column name and age correspond to certain values of users like Tom, whose age is 20, and so forth. If you see in this data frame, you can clearly see that the number of rows are 4, since there are 4 names present inside this data frame. So now let's see how we come to know the number of rows. So basically, to come to know the number of rows, all we need to do is print the length of the data frame. As a default parameter, using the len function of the data frame returns the number of rows present, since they are corresponding to the number of items placed in the list that is present in the key of name and the key of age. So now if I run this program, as you can see, you can easily come to know that this data frame consists of 4 rows, since it's getting printed saying that number of rows is 4. So that's it from this really quick video. If you like this video, drop a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.